Hi, you are welcome to my channel, the Poultry TV. I remain your humble servant and instructor, Dr. Leonard Charles. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, the Poultry TV, you are in the right place. Please kindly look for the subscription button up there and tap subscribe. Once you are subscribed to this channel and activate the notification bell, you always be among the first subscribers that will get notified by the network once any of my interesting video like this type you're going to watch now is uploaded. Please do that now before we continue. Thank God you have done that. You have an interesting topic before you this moment. If you are a poultry farmer, you have been having issues with your chicken at the first stage of life, you have been having high mortality during breeding, this particular video is a must watch for you. Don't skip it. Please follow this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of this video at all. You are in the right place. The Poultry TV. This is a global platform for all farmers where you get the complete up-to-date information on how to run your agric and poultry business profitably. Why do you lose your birds during the brooding stage? Why do you lose your birds within the first period of life? That is the time they are under the brooding period. If this topic interests you so much, please watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of it. If you are a broiler farmer or layers farming, or you are into noiler farming, and you are starting from the beginning, that is from day old, you don't buy brooded ones, this particular content will interest you most. Many farmers are complaining in different platforms that they are losing their birds, most especially during the brooding stage. And if you must make profit in your poultry production, you must get it right during the brooding stage. The brooding stage is the most important and most serious part of your production. If you lose it within that period of time, you hardly make profit at the end, because that is the time the birds get the maximum weight that will carry them on throughout the growth period. If they don't achieve that standard weight from the first day of life to the third week, you hardly get it right again. I've come with an interesting topic, and in this particular content, I'm going to give you 10 major reasons why you lose your birds during the brooding stage. Number one, many farmers are asking from different platforms. Many are complaining that they don't make profit because they lose most of their birds during the brooding period. So when they are out of the brooding period, they have only few birds to cater for. And if you check it properly well, any bird you lose between the second and third week of life, you're already losing 1,500 or $1 during that period per bird. Assuming you lose more than 5% of those birds, already you are heading to loss. You hardly make profit. You bear with me if you are a good farmer. Now, why do most farmers lose their birds during the brooding period? That is the stage. The brooding period is the stage the birds need more attention. If it's a local chick, that is when the mother hen give their chicks adequate temperature. They take them along. Anytime there's cold, you see them closer together and their mother will cover them and warm them. That warming is what regulates their temperature to make sure that they don't die to cold. But for this particular product we call broilers and other agri birds, they don't have a mother. You, as the farmer, is the parent they see. So you need to regulate the temperature. I'm going to give you 10 points. Number one is inadequate temperature regulation. 2 is poor ventilation. 3, dehydration. 4, inadequate nutrition. Number 5 is overcrowding, poor handling, inadequate hygiene, stress, noise, genetic factor, and diseases. These are the major reasons why you lose these birds. I'm going to briefly explain each and every one of them. Inadequate temperature control. Temperature is very important during the breeding period. All of us know that. But how do you regulate the temperature? Many farmers don't even have thermometer in their brooding pen. How can you regulate the temperature without the thermometer? Now, assuming you don't have temperature controller in your brooding pen, so the birds are on their own with the heat. Many farmers bombard their young chicks with adequate heat. Do you know that some farmers even cover the whole pen without any exit for heat? The birds suffocate and you lose many of them. When you come up in the morning, you see that most of the birds are already flat. There are some languages I will not use. There are some words I will not use here. When I say they are all lying flat, you know where they have gone. So now, you start crying. You feel that it is a disease. No. The problem there is the heat is too much for them. You are not regulating the temperature very well. The temperature should be well and properly managed. How do you know that your birds are comfortably under the temperature? One, the birds will be evenly spread within your brooding pen. When they are eating properly well, they spread properly. You know that the temperature is adequate for them. But when they cluster together in one particular portion, it means that they are feeling cold. When they run too far from the heat source, you know that the heat is too much. What do you do by them? You now open up some spaces to enable fresh air comes in. That will drop the temperature and at the same time give them life to continue eating. Secondly, poor ventilation. That is, when the heat is too much, then there is no air. What happens? They suffocate. So there should be adequate ventilation. In fact, during the daytime, your pen, brooding pen should be open. Because even the mother hen is naturally take their chicks around to feed during the day period. They don't cover them. How would they cover them when they need to eat? So during the daytime, open up your pen, let fresh air comes in. They need this air even more than the food. So if the place is choked up, in fact, you are going to lose most of those birds. Another one is dehydration. That's the third point. The birds need adequate water. Do you know that many farmers leave their birds to themselves? What happens? Most of those birds start eating, continue eating. There is no water to do what? To absorb the food. The food choke them up and most of them will go down. You will not see them again. They will lie flat. When you come up in the morning, you will feel that something has destroyed their birds. No, the problem is dehydration. As they need the food, they also need enough and adequate water to take care of them. And that one is nutritional problem, inadequate nutrition. All of us know that during the breeding period of the birds, they need food. Which kind of food are you giving your birds during the breeding period? If you are using the market feed to brood their birds, my dear, most of the feed in the market are not measured accurately. The nutritional content on the body or on the back is not what you see inside the feed. I'm telling you this as a practicing farmer. I have long time experience in this business. To be honest with you, if you take most of the feed to the lab, you see that 23% rating for the young chicks, you hardly get 18%. I'm not accusing any company. They are in their own business. But I am telling you the secret. What you do, make sure you fortify those feed by yourself. When you buy the feed, if you are using the market feed, the commercial feed, what you do, just buy some additives and fortify those feed during that brooding period. Buy lysine, buy methionine. If possible, get fish meal and blood meal. Mix them up with at least a manageable size. If you have seen my book on poultry feed formulation, you can use some of the feed formula there to make sure you prepare the feed to give them the adequate nutrition they need. At least a young chick needs up to 23 to 24% crude protein. If they don't get this, their growth at that period will not be adequate. And what happens? If the growth is not adequate, it will give room to diseases and infections. And you may finally lose those birds during that period. Number 4, or number 5 anyway, is overcrowding. Overcrowding. Many farmers don't give enough space. They feel that the brooding period is the time to cluster the birds together to adjust with the heat. No. A young chick needs up to 0.5 to 1 square foot per chick during the brooding period. As they grow bigger, you increase their space. Giving them adequate space will give them enough space to run around and to eat very well. If the space is not enough for them, they will stampede each other. You see them clustering on each other. What happens next? You lose most of those birds. And that one is poor handling. If you are buying your birds from a far distance, you don't know what these birds must have suffered during the conventional period. That is the transportation period. Most of these birds stay inside a bus throughout their journey of over 12 hours. When they come into your farm as the owner of the birds, it is not left for you to handle them properly well. Don't start bombarding them with antibiotics. First of all, give them multivitamin. Give them glucose to calm them down. If you don't have, give them clean water, at least for the first 3 days of life, to enable them to stabilize before you start giving them vaccine and other medications. Don't start with medications immediately on the arrival, because they must have passed through a lot of stress inside a small bus for a far journey of over 12 hours, depending on where you are buying your birds. Some of these birds even arrive to your distributors earlier in the morning, and before you pick these birds, it's in the evening. Some arrive 8 o'clock in the morning, and you come by 4 o'clock in the evening to come and pick them. They are still inside the same small bus, moving together, looking for what to eat, looking for water, looking for everything, jumping around inside the same bus. You know that they must have been tired. So you don't need to stress them again with antibiotics. If you do that, you are surely going to lose many of them. Some of them will be weak, and the antibiotics will weaken them down. Remember that the antibiotics is not even food, it is a drug. And each drug have substances that can push them down. So you don't need to bombard them with antibiotics immediately they arrive. And that one is what? Inadequate hygiene. That is the number 7, inadequate hygiene. Many farmers don't keep their birds. They keep it there as if they are animals, after they are animals. In fact, to be honest with you, the place your birds lives should be worthy of human being living there. You should make their brooding pen very neat. This will avert you from diseases and infections. If the place is very neat, you are not going to lose any of them. And that one is stress and noise. Brooding period is a time the birds need calmness. Remember that if you can recollect very well, young chicks don't need noise. Even when their mother is with them, assuming it's local chicks that move around with their mother, immediately you hear any noise, their mother will make one sound noise, one kind of noise that you will not understand as a human being. But the chicks will run around, they will run skater to go closer to their mother. That is what they need. They need calmness. They don't need noise. If you are living on maybe close to an airport or very close to the road where the vehicles will be passing and children will be going to throw stone inside their brooding pen, honestly, the chicks will not feel comfortable and they will not eat well during that period of time, and it's going to affect their growth also. So, and that one is what? Genetic factors. Genetic factors is very important. Note this very well. Many farmers think that all the broilers, because they are white in color, they are of the same genetic factor. No. Each broiler has its own genetic modification. We have different breeds of broiler, especially in this country where I belong, Nigeria. We have up to 10 breeds of broiler in Nigeria. In the next video, I'm going to give you all the breeds of broiler and their genetic modification, characteristics, and other things. Is going to come up. So follow this process so that we'll get to the end of it. It can't enter in this particular content. So the genetic modification of that bird will determine how well that bird will grow. Remember what I said. The genetic modification of that bird determines how well it will grow. If you get a very good breed of broiler, it means you have a very good market. That's what it means. You have a very good market. Likely they are going to grow well. Breeds is different from what is written on the carton. What is written on the carton is the company's name, not the breed of broiler. That the broiler is white does not mean it is the breed. All the breeds of broiler are whitish in color. They are whitish in color. but they have different genetic modification. Each breed has its own growth rate, its own feed conversion rate, its own adaptability to your geographical zone. If you are in the hot zone, you have a breed of broiler that will suit that particular zone. If you want to sell your best within 6 week time, you have a bird that will suit that period of time. You don't ask Mr. A's broiler to behave like Mr. B's broiler. They are of different breeds. Some companies also have 2 breeds as the parent stock, and they produce 2 breeds. Some have up to 3 breeds of broilers also, but they're all white in color. You won't know unless you learn. So we are going into that in the next content. And that one is disease. If you keep all these 9 points in check, disease will not be an issue in your farm. Honestly, if you keep all these 9 points very well, disease will not be an issue. Because one, you have adequate temperature. Temperature is conducive for them to move and eat. You have a very good ventilation. You give them enough water. There is adequate nutrition. They eat well. Once the birds are eating well, they will be hard. It will be very difficult for them to be attacked by any infection, unless it is viral infection that is already resident in your farm. So the next point, which is the number 10 point, is disease. If there is a prevalent disease in your farm already and it's not well treated, and you bring in a new bird, it's definitely going to attack those birds. Immediately they are on arrival, it's going to attack them. And once they attack them, they will start going. I'm not going to use that word. They will start going, you start losing them. And once you lose them, many farmers, in fact 95% of the farmers will blame their hatcheries. Oh, I bought my birds from hatchery A. This hatchery is not good. Their birds are not good. This is not good. It's not the problem. The problem is that you have a disease already in your farm, waiting for them. Immediately they arrive, those diseases will attack them. So it is very good, after selling your birds off, do what? Do proper cleaning. Fumigate your environment and give space for fresh air. Open up the pens before the arrival of a new bird. With this point, if you take them properly well, assimilate them, ask your questions, drop your questions on the comment section. I will be glad to attend to them. Please, bye. Till I come with another interesting topic. And that topic will be on the breeds of broilers. Don't miss it. Bye. I love you all.